Welcome to Road 200 Con questions. An even natural number n when divided by 6 gives the remainder r, where r is the natural number. So even number when you divide by 6, what can be the remainders? Remainders can be 2, 4 or 0. But here the remainder is the natural number, so 0 are not possible, so 2 and 4. So when you divide that number n square, that is n into n, and you divide by 6, the remainder will be remainder when you get by dividing each one by 6. So in this case, the remainder is first case. If I take 2, so it will be 2 into 2, you will get 4. In the second case, when you take the remainder as 4, it will be 4 into 4, which will give you 16. 16 when you divide by 6 further will give you remainder 4. So in all cases, it gives the remainder 4. Both the cases, whether the remainder is 2 or the remainder is 4, gives you the remainder 4. So answer is C option, 4. From a jar, Ramesh consumed 1 liter more than half the amount of water present every hour. Right? If the jar got empty at 5 pm, so at 5 pm it got empty, that means 0 liters. He must have consumed 1 liter more than half. So 1 liter, and this 1 liter should have been half of that, plus 1. 2. Normally when you do this type of sum, you have to go reverse. So here what we do, we are dividing by 2 and then subtracting 1, that's what you consume. So when you reverse, you add 2 and then you multiply by, add 1 and multiply by 2. So that's what we did, we add 1, okay, and then multiply by 2, so got 2. In the next case, that is at 5 pm, that's what he got empty. At 4 pm, he would have consumed 2 plus 1 into 2, 6 liters was there. At 4 pm, there was 6 liters of water. At 3 pm, it should have been, if you look at 6 plus 1 into 2, 14 liters water should be there before 3 pm. That means at 3 pm he must have consumed 8 liters of water. From 14 liters, he consumed half and 1 liter more, which is 8 liters of water. A option. So go reverse calculations and then try to work the answer. Is divisible, a number is divisible by 9. If a number is divisible by 9, sum of digits should be divisible by 9. What is sum of digits? 3 plus 4, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 8, which means A has to be 3. A has to be 3. So last two digits are 36. So remainder when you divide by 25, just look at last two digits. Because 342, 100 will be divisible by 25. 100. So check out 36 divided by 25. What's the remainder? 11. So answer is B option. Right? 3, 4, 2, 3, 6 is nothing but 342, 100 plus 36. If we divide by 25, the first part is by 25. Just divide 36 by 25, you will get the remainder as 11. Number 30 is taken, is multiplied by 2 and 2 is added. So 30 into 2 plus 2 gives you 62. Resulting number is multiplied by 2 and added 2 again, 126. Process repeated 20 times. Now I can make out that these are close to powers of 2 because they are written 4 raised to a minus 2. So let's say 30. 30 is nothing but 2 raised to 5 minus 2, 32 minus 2, which is nothing but 4 raised to 2.5 minus 2. 4 raised to 2.5 minus 2. Let's take next. This is 2 raised to 6 minus 2, which is nothing but 4 cube minus 2. 2 raised to 7 minus 2, which is nothing but 4 raised to 3.5 minus 2. So every time this number increases by 0.5 and you're doing the process 22 times, 20 times plus the 2 times. So the number will become 2.5 plus 22 times you're increasing by 0.5. So it becomes 13.5. A will be 13.5. That will be the answer. C option. The power you're increasing by 0.5 in every process when you convert all. Normally there will be a pattern form. Try to find a pattern, and once you get a pattern, you get the answer. That's how you try to work on. Find the minimum value of the expression given to you. Take numbers. Let me say 2 because there's 2 out here. I'll take 2 out here. So if I take 2, what becomes 2 comma 2 max comma 6 minus 2, 4. This becomes 2 comma 4. So 4. So I know 4 is possible. Let me take 3 and check out. So if I take 3, so max 3 comma 2 comma 6 minus 3, which comes to max of 3 comma 2 is 3 comma 3, so automatically 3. And because they're coming equal, technically 3. If I take another number, let's say if I take 4, my maximal will become 4. Max of 4 comma 2 will become 4, and max of that in the next number will become 4. So 3 is the minimum possible that is there. So minimum is 3, B option. Just substitute the values, try it out. And you should know what type of numbers to substitute based on the options given to you and based on numbers given to you. Thank you.